Good morning. It's a bit wiggly.
Well, we're in country lanes.
It's in country lanes. So I've got a day off, and we're going to go and do shopping. Part of our legitimate reasons for being out, we're going to go and do shopping and have a bit of exercise while we're out and about. So we're going to go to the Royal William Yard.
Yeah, ex-Royal Navy.
Ex-Royal Navy stores and
brewery and rope making and
yeah. They don't do any of that now.
No, it's mostly eating and drinking.
Mostly eating and drinking, which at the moment you can't do. So anyway,
we'll take you there when it's open.
Yeah, we'll take you there when it's open. We'll take you to the wine bars and all that. But yeah, we're gonna go there. Tomorrow for us is a massive day in that finally the bus goes to custom coach to be converted. So the sagas of that will be recorded. Anyway, come and join us on our little trip out today while we break the monotony of being stuck indoors. So that is the Royal William Yard. We shall have a walk around there in a minute, hopefully, if we can. But behind us, for anyone who is into boats, is Princess Yachts. Now this is one of 5 places locally where they produce their boats. Medium-sized boats, as far as I recall, are built here, with all the big stuff being built at South Yard, which bearings is sort of down to the right of where we are now. So but I'm actually out on the walkway for the Cremel ferry, so it's very windy, as you can probably note out here. As I say, Royal William Yard. So we've walked round, and just round there is Devils Point, and that is the breakwater. And there's, what's the name of the island? I've forgotten. Oh, Drake's Island, which has now been purchased by someone, and you can go and have a. Well, they did allow someone recently to go and have a look at it. I forget who it was. I'll put the link to their YouTube channel in it. But it's a guy that's going around the UK in a little speedboat. So here's a view that even I've not seen before. So on the left hand side is actually retirement homes, and then you can see the Hoe and Smeaton's Tower. Mountbatten, and then Drake's Island, and there is the breakwater. It's a bit breezy, but the sun is out. What an amazing view.
Oh, she's in. She fell off her board. I've been through that little archway to the beach bit there and oh my god, I saw a dog.
But the archway's over there. Come out, you can see it.
So we've just walked back now from sort of Devil's Point area, and we're saying that this house is just plonked on top of what is basically a wall that's 40 foot high, and leads down into the Royal William Yard. But look at view it's got. It's just unreal. So over the water there is Cornwall. So we're in Devon, and that is Cornwall. So as one of my crewmate would say, I'm in England, and that's another country, apparently. But the wind has dropped as we've gone down. So the wind has dropped. So up a little bit further, and that I think is Kreml over there. And now we walk down into the completely redeveloped Royal William Yard. We're just about to go down some steps now. Yeah, no. I've been told not to cut it off, so I won't. But
Look at this view.
wow, you two could have an apartment here.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, that's gorgeous. So there's old Bill over there, or Royal William. Can you see him? The figurehead?
No.
Right, so can you just see there's an arched,
Yeah.
to the side of it there is a figurehead.
Oh yeah.
That is the Royal William. Yeah. And next to that is South Yard, where Princess Yachts make all their big ones, all their big...
Oh, Miss Morris, look.
So
I think our very first date,
we
walked up these steps.
We did.
This is when I met some very big view of people.
Royal William Yard Marina. Very nice Princess V 56 or 58 there. Lovely bit of kit.